In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic downloads on Google Chrome. If you've ever clicked a link and suddenly found a bunch of files saving to your computer, this setting is for you. Locking it down helps protect you from spammy sites and keeps your downloads under your control without getting in the way of everyday browsing. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We'll be working in the desktop version, and the steps are the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots to open the menu. This is Chrome's main control center, where you'll find browser tools and options. From that menu, click Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with all of your preferences and privacy controls. If this is your first time in Settings, don't worry. Everything we need is in the left-hand sidebar and clearly labeled. In the sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section focuses on how sites interact with your browser and your data. Next, click Site Settings. Site settings let you fine-tune what websites are allowed to do, like showing pop-ups, using your camera, or, what we're here for, downloading files. Scroll through the page until you see additional permissions. Depending on your version, you may see it grouped with other permissions. The label is the key. Click Additional Permissions to expand it if it isn't already open. Now click Automatic Downloads. This page controls whether sites can save multiple files to your device without asking first. To shut this down, select Don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. With this setting enabled, Chrome will block sites from pushing a batch of files in the background. You'll stay in control and can still choose to download files when you actually want them. Single-file downloads you initiate, like clicking a PDF or a single installer, will continue to work normally, but bulk, automatic downloads won't slip through. A quick note on what you'll see here. This page may also show sites you've previously allowed. That makes it easy to understand which sites had permission in the past and ensures your new choice applies everywhere. If your Chrome looks slightly different, stay focused on the same labels: Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Additional Permissions, and Automatic Downloads, because the wording is consistent even if the layout changes a bit. That's it! You've disabled automatic multi-file downloads in Chrome, reducing clutter and boosting security while keeping your browsing smooth and predictable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, safer download experience.